Human connection is the most important thing that we have right now, and the way that we can connect is through food and through growing together. I'm Kellie Karavias, and I am the Culinary Arts and Garden Educator and the Director of the Cultivated Classroom at Gregory-Lincoln, where we grow smart and healthy kids by cultivating their minds and their plates by teaching them how to grow their own food, harvest their own food, and then cook their own food and share it with their family and friends.
Ms. Karavias is a great teacher, an outstanding one actually, because she teaches the benefits of cooking, and I have fun in her classroom all the time because she literally never makes it boring. She has shown me skills and techniques on how I can level up on certain things I do in her classroom, and not only in her classroom, but also at home.
By teaching kids how to grow their own food, it gives a special connection with the food, and so being connected through our food helps us to be connected to each other. And then we reap the benefits by cooking it together and eating like a family. My big push was every child should be able to leave my classroom knowing how to prepare at least 10 simple things that they can do at home. These are skills that they have so they can carry on with them through life.
Ms. Karavias is one of the most enthusiastic, positive teachers that I've ever worked with in my career. And she is always thinking about her students and how she can take them to the next level.
The Chick-In is one of our favorite places, and the chickens are the rock stars of the school. Also, it's a great way for kids to see biodiversity, and they see that even though they are different breeds, that they are still all chickens. This shows that when we come together in our school, that it doesn't matter what your background is, it doesn't matter where you come from, that we can all flock and stick together just like our chickens. And the best part is it's all wrapped up in education, and that's my favorite part.